How's everyone doing? So I'm going to be working on this section here in this video. I gotta rip these high spots. There's a few kind of rocky outcrops here on the road. You can see one here, one right here, one right there, and then another one up here. So I'm going to rip this, and then I'm going to get to ripping this drainage ditch and this road, finishing this road up and tapering this road off to connect with this road here, and then get a drainage ditch cut on the side. So that'll be the final video. I'll separate it from working on this and watch for that video. That'll be the final video of building my bypass road. Got two other videos on that, actually, from inside and outside the cab. All right, so I'll get going. Alright, so I got the first spot ripped right here. I'm gonna work my way up a few more spots. So you can see another high spot here, another high spot there. There's one up there, and I'll try to blend all this in. another quick update. So I got this spot done. I'm gonna work my way up. Just a couple more spots left. Alright, quick update guys, almost done. We got a little bit further to go here, and there's one spot right here I'm going to work on, a little high spot. And it looks like that's it. Actually maybe a little spot right here. And I think I'm going to be done with this section. More close-up action. So I got this section here I'm gonna work in these 2 spots and I'll be done. All right, we got a little dusty. All right, so got a little update and end to this ripping video. So I got all the high spots ripped. And that was pretty much it in this section. So I got that done. I just wanted to clean up these pathways and get it so there's no high spots where you're teetering, especially with the track loader, has a hard time going over this. And I'll just use some of this material and I'll blend it into these low pits here, and I'll just take the chunky stuff out and probably just pile it up on the side into the piles, and I'll blend all this in. So I'll do a separate video on cleaning this up and blending it in and shaping it. So watch that if you guys want to see how I do that and the techniques I use to do that. So again, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Don't miss my upcoming videos. I got a bunch more content coming out and a lot more to develop on this property, and I'm going to film everything so you can see, you know, I'm almost done with the excavation process, but there's going to be a lot more work to come, a lot more projects. So I hope you guys can learn how to develop a farm or a homestead from my videos. I'll try to help you guys out and try to be as informative as I can be. And again, thanks for watching, guys, and I appreciate you guys' support. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.